Hey y'all, today we're in Discord and we're taking a look at how to create Discord invites. Let's get into it. So to start off, you do need a server that you are allowed to create invites to. And if this is your own server, then you should definitely be able to do that. And we are going to go over a few of the options that you have when creating an invite. So let's go up to the top left and go to invite people. So here you have a basic invite link, and you can share this out. The link expires in 7 days, or you can set the link to never expire. There are a few more options if you click the link settings in the bottom right, such as longer or shorter expirations, or you can just set that to never. And then also you can set the max number of uses. So if you only want like 1 uses or 5 or 50, maybe you're doing like a limited time invite to your Discord, or you only want a limited number of users, that's how you could use this. And then you have grant temporary membership. So once these members log off for the day, they will be removed from your Discord server. So if it's only for like a short event, or you want people in there so you can display something on screen share, or you're doing a meet and greet or different things, you can then have them removed once they sign off. Once people have joined using those links, you can then go into settings and view where different invites came from. So you could always create one invite link for YouTube, one invite link for Twitch, and you can then judge where most of your Discord users are coming from. Are they coming from your YouTube channel? Are they coming from Twitch? But that just about covers everything about invite links and how they can be used. Let me know if this video helped. Leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.